Living Flame number 43, taken up to heaven. We celebrate the Ascension Sunday and we read from Luke chapter 24. Then he led them out as far as Bethany, raised his hands and blessed them. As he blessed them, he parted from them and was taken up to heaven. They did him homage and then returned to Jerusalem with great joy, and they were continually in the temple praising God. Jesus is now taken up to heaven and they are rejoicing. Nung mga ilang araw ang nakararaan, takot na takot ang mga alagad habang namamaalam si Jesus sa kanila. Jesus had to repeatedly assure them, I am going away, but do not be afraid. Do not be troubled. I am going away, but I will not leave you. I will turn your grief into joy. And here it is, right there and then, the fulfillment of the promise of Jesus. He turned their grieving hearts and their anxious hearts to rejoicing, to a grateful and rejoicing heart. Jesus was taken up to heaven, but they were not afraid anymore. They were continually praising God in the temple. Jesus, time and again, proves to us that his going away is not really abandonment. God does not abandon us. God does not leave us. He parts from us, yes. He may not be so visible to us in our life every day. Sometimes we think that God is not present or not even real to us, but that is not true at all. The truth of the matter is the Lord remains. And when he went up to heaven, he went up blessing them. And this is a beautiful imagery if we go back to the ascension. He raised his hands and blessed them. As he blessed them, he parted from them and was taken up to heaven. In other words, God never stops blessing us. God does not stop in blessing all of us, in providing for us, in always sustaining us in all our needs. There is always a reason to rejoice. There is always a reason to be grateful for life, for our faith, grateful to the Lord for his generosity and abundance, for always giving us what we need. Kapatid, you are blessed. The Lord, when he was taken up, he was in the gesture of blessing us. Not saying goodbye, but blessing us. And this is also something that we must learn to do in our life. That we can also be a blessing to others. That our hands should always be in the act of blessing others, not in hurting them, not in giving them something to give them some heartaches or pains in their lives, but let our hands be an instrument of blessing others. Let our hands be an instrument for giving them something that they need. So in this Ascension Sunday, also World Communications Day, the Lord wants us to communicate His love, His good news to all. We are called to become evangelizers, all of us. Lahat tayo ay binigyan ng mabuting balita at binibigyan din tayo ng misyon na ipahayag ang mabuting balitang ito sa lahat. The Lord assures us of His presence and the Lord sends us to share His love to all. At yun po ang magandang gawin sa araw na ito. World Communications Day, Ascension Sunday, it is not the day of departure. Look at this. Umalis ang Panginoon, dinala siya sa langit, pero tayo'y nagagalak at tayo ay nagpapasalamat. Ibig sabihin, mga kapatid, ano't ano man ang mangyari sa ating buhay, kung meron mang mga nawawala, meron mang mga umaalis, hindi ito dahilan para tayo ay magmukmok o para tayo ay mawalan ng sigla sa buhay. Kung may mga umalis, ang paalaala ng Panginoon sa atin ay hindi tayo pababayaan. Magpasalamat. Araw-araw ipagpasalamat ang biyaya ng buhay. Araw-araw ipagpasalamat ang biyaya ng pamilya. At kahit na nga yung mga nawala sa atin, nawalan tayo ng trabaho o nawalan tayo ng mga pagkakataon dahil sa kabiguan o dahil hindi tayo pinalad, nawala din ang mga taong mahalaga sa atin dahil sila'y namatay, yumaot pumanaw, o kaya may mga mag-asawa na naghiwalay dahil sa hindi pagkakaintindihan. Marami tayong mga dahilan para malungkot. Pero marami din tayong dahilan para magpasalamat. God is blessing us all the time. He's blessing us with His love, with His presence, with His mercy and kindness. Let us celebrate Ascension Sunday by blessing one another.